Steve Mignani here at High Octane Classics in Auburn, Massachusetts with a really cool Plymouth Roadrunner. This is not a clone or a tribute. This is a real RM23 N code 71 Roadrunner. Now keep in mind, 1971 was the year for the brand new restyle, the fuselage body. Sadly, 1971 was also the year that the muscle car party kind of came crashing down. Insurance problems, OPEC, all these things kind of crashed, and every manufacturer had problems trying to sell high-performance cars. Check this out. 1970, 39,000 Roadrunners were sold. 1971, just 13,046. And this is one of them. Now, this one here is a 383 car, as we can see here. This does have the optional strobe package over the fenders. Alternate ways of showing the engine would have been potentially over the marker right here, which we see again on this. So again, this is a 71, the first year, and the most pure expression of the fuselage style Roadrunner, the second generation. Under the hood, there we have it, 383, which is the N code. Believe it or not, there was a 340 engine, small block, that was introduced mid-1971 as an insurance buster, but the 383 is the engine I want. It does have some day 2 mods, an MSD electronic distributor, nothing wrong with that, no points to mess with or anything like that. Aluminum intake, looks to be a Torker, it's a dual plane. And below that is a small Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetor, probably a 650, it's perfectly sized. The correct dual snorkel Roadrunner air cleaner present and accounted for. It does have a modern air conditioning system, no problem there. Of course, the MSD amplifier unit here. And of course, the air conditioning componentry from the late model air conditioner. It does have the 26-inch wide radiator, very good to see that. The heavy-duty cooling package. And yeah, nice crisp stuff. Manual brakes, so again, Roadrunners, we've got to remember, unlike the GTX, these are a little more serious, a little more bang for the buck, less is more. So no power brakes on this one, but that's okay, it'll give you a nice workout. Does have power steering, which is a good thing, because that 383 probably weighs, 650 pounds. And if you're doing a 3-point turn without power steering, well, you'll get a workout. But has correct 15x7 rally wheels, which have been chromed, sort of a day 2 effect. BF Goodrich radial TAs, good high quality, not a generic tire, that's good. And inside, this is really cool. It has the high back bucket seats, which were an option in Roadrunner, but the day core package provides the orange inserts, which, believe it or not, was a factory treatment. Good to see it here. And it works really well with the orange exterior. I mean, totally eye-grabbing. The center console is a nice touch. Torque Flight automatic, slapstick. The logo slapstick, of course, refers to the fact that you can slap 1, 2, and drive, and it won't go into drive or neutral on its own. So that's cool. It's not competition, but it's easier to go drag racing with that. This speedometer and the steering wheel, all these items are original, and all of this brand new design for 1971, but I love the little beeper guy, the Roadrunner right there in the middle of the horn. Such a cool touch. And nice example, really has the sport mirrors, body colored, both sides. And it has the over-the-roof 3M reflective Roadrunner strobe stripe, which was a major addition for 1971 and really an iconic part of the Roadrunner's whole legacy, really. Again, we see the 15x7 rallies in the back with larger radial TAs, a little bit bigger than the front tires, which is good. You want big and bigger, so it kind of gives the car a staggered, ready to pounce kind of a look. And one thing too, 1971, the only year for this 3-part flush mount marker, front and rear. 1972, they went to an add-on piece that was also shared with the Plymouth Valiants and lesser cars. So 71 was unique in a lot of ways. The rear bumper on this is in really great shape. The chrome is very nice. Of course, the 8 3/4 rear axle down low, present and accounted for. This also has the 6-leaf springs, standard heavy-duty Roadrunner suspension, 11-inch drum brakes, the best in the industry. In fact, those are police brakes. Cop cars had 11-inch drums, so did the Roadrunner. So Plymouth wasn't messing around. The Roadrunner was a pretty serious handling, braking, and accelerating car. Inside the trunk, yeah, nice presentation, a correct orange paint scene, spare tire, of course, good to have that, and trunk mat, and again, nice solid flooring on this one, and just a good example of a 1971 Roadrunner. And again, only 13,000 and change were built, and sadly, you know, this is one of the times that A new car should have been appreciated and treasured by the public, but the market conditions were such that, well, the Roadrunner landed with a thud, as did so many other American muscle cars in 1971, as the party was pretty much over. But to learn more about this car, you can go to the High-Octane Classics website, and keep in mind that this car can be purchased with as little as 10% down, and High-Octane Classics does take trades, late models, classics, muscle cars like this. It's all considered, and they do deliver cars to your place of work or wherever you might want it to be dropped too. And keep in mind too that High-Octane Classics has been in business for darn near 15 years, and they're always looking for sales and service help. And if you think you might want to make a career change, a fun career change, give them a call at 508-859-4515. And to learn more about this 71 Roadrunner, a real RM23N 383 code car, check it out again at the High-Octane Classics website.